Welcome to EXP Studio. What if I told you that you can build a complete website with an AI tool? So here it is. I am now using an AI tool called Lovable.dev. So here I am logging in. Once you have logged in, it takes you through a quick setup. Just fill in the basics and you are in. This is the main screen of Lovable. Now I have already a previous project here. Let me scroll up and show you the presets and templates available on the platform. Pretty clean, right? Now here it is where the magic happens. I am going to write a simple prompt. I am asking it to create a navbar for my website. And that's literally it. You can write any prompt you want. Now it's processing the prompt. Give it a few seconds. At the hood, it's writing all the HTML CSS and JavaScript for you.
A few moments later.
And boom! The website is updated exactly the way I asked. Now let me show you something really useful. I am going to the code page and opening navbar.html. You can see the complete code Lovable wrote for us. I am copying this code, pasting it into VS Code, saving it and opening it in the browser. And there it is, the exact same navbar running perfectly in VS Code. Clean code, no errors. Now let me also show you style.css file. All the styling is neatly written and organized. You can take this code, modify it and learn from it. One of my favorite features, Lovable automatically makes your website responsive. Watch this, it adjusts perfectly for mobile, tablet and desktop. No extra media queries are needed. It handles everything. Now here is another powerful feature, the element selector tool. I can click on any specific part of the website like this navbar item and directly tell Lovable what changes I want. No need to describe the whole page again. Watch, I am selecting this element and giving it a new instruction. It processes the change and updates only the specific part. And just like that, the website is generated. Look at the navbar, clean, structured and ready to use. It took me almost 5 to 10 minutes to generate this website. So don't worry, it will generate but it will take some time. Now let's publish. You can see a publish icon at top right corner of the website. Click on it and edit your website name and click continue. Again click continue. Here you can upload an icon to your website or edit the title of the website. So I am not adding anything, I am clicking continue. After clicking continue, you can see URL of your website and the visibility is set to public already. So click on publish and your website is live. Done. Now your website is live. Click on view app and you will be redirected to your website. This is your website which is now live in internet. So you can use the URL and you can find it in Chrome browser or any browser. So you can see the responsive design created by the Lovable.ai. That's Lovable.dev AI that builds websites for you in minutes. Try it out and drop your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this AI tool will help you for building websites. And if you guys are interested in these AI websites, comment AI in the comment section. Thank you.